In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo in Hostinger email quickly and easily so your messages look more professional and branded every time you send them. If you use Hostinger Webmail for business, freelancing, or personal email, adding your logo to your signature is one of the simplest ways to make your email stand out and build trust with the people you contact. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.hostinger.com. Log in with the email account where you want to add the logo. Once you're inside your Hostinger Webmail inbox, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and click it. From the Settings menu, select Signature. This is where you can edit the default signature that appears at the bottom of your emails. Now you'll see the signature editor. Click inside the signature box where you want your logo to appear. You can place it above your contact details, beside your name, or anywhere that fits your layout best. After that, go to the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the editor box. Find the image icon, which usually looks like a picture frame, and click it. A file picker will open, so select your logo file from your computer and insert it. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the logo image directly into the text field. Once the logo is added, you may want to adjust the size so it fits neatly with the rest of your signature. Click on the inserted image to reveal the resize handles, then drag the corners inward until it looks clean and balanced. The goal is to keep it readable and professional without making the signature too large. If you want to take it a step further, you can also turn your logo into a clickable link. To do that, click on the logo to highlight it, then click the link icon on the bottom toolbar. Enter your website address, portfolio link, or landing page URL, and save it. That way, anyone who receives your email can click the logo and visit your site directly. When everything looks right, go to the bottom right corner and click the purple Save button to store your changes. This is the most important step because if you don't save, your logo won't appear in future emails. After saving, your updated signature will be applied automatically whenever you send new messages from Hostinger email. And that's it. You've now added a logo in Hostinger email and made your signature look much more polished and professional. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what email or website guide you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.